Good afternoon, traders. In this video, I'm going to share the free indicator with you that is very powerful, and especially if you like to trade from the overbought and oversold levels. And guys, if you cover this indicator with the liquidity course that I have provided in my YouTube playlist completely for free, then your results can be very, very nice just by using this indicator. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to take you towards the indicator section here, and here we need to write a yin yang. If you just look at here, this is yin yang RSI volume trend strategy, and you can see this has many likes so far. And if you just attach this indicator, then you will see that the top upper band will represent overbought levels for the market, and it also has the different functions like this. Sometimes when the market even breaks that level, it also plots the buy position as well. But overall, you can see, you can consider this one to be the overbought, and you can consider this one to be the oversold in that case. Okay, now let me show you that how this indicator actually works. Okay, so for example, if you just look at here, then there was a selling opportunity on the gold, and you can see already the price was somehow down. Okay, so you just need to take care of one thing, like if you have sold and like if we just mark that level. So if you have sold and again the price has broken that level, it means that the price wants to go into the further up direction. So that's the problem with the bands indicators that normally they are in the market. Okay, as I have told you, sometimes it also plots the buy signal after the breakout. Okay, so you can use it on different time frames, but my suggestion is at least you should use it on the 15 time frame for the surety. Okay, now you can see there was a sell signal. So if you do my liquidity course, then you will understand actually the sell started from here. Okay, because the liquidity was hunted from that level. So that is why I am just recommending you that if you want to use this indicator, then first of all cover the 8 videos that are available on my YouTube playlist in the name of the liquidity. So if you cover those videos, you will be very comfortable. And even that was the wrong signal from that indicator, but for us, if you go through my course, then you will understand that this is the liquidity hunt, and after that the price was getting the reverse, and this indicator has plotted the signal bit late. Okay, but overall this is fine. If you have not gone through the liquidity course, this is fine. You can see another buy signal after the liquidity hunt. So where the liquidity was, like for example, this was the support area for the market. Okay, this is the support area for the market. The market broken the support area below, and then you can see the price simply after hitting the stop losses of the traders who were sitting into the buy position, then the price was reversed. Okay, because actually the support and resistance zones that are available in the market, they don't work. Okay, now this is the nice signal from the indicator, because the liquidity was hunted here, and after the liquidity hunt, the smart money has taken the price up, and this is the good one to trade. Okay, so that's why just open my playlist and watch the 8 videos, and you will really understand that how this indicator can be a game changer for you after the process of the liquidity hand. Okay, so right now you can see why this price is going down even after the buy signal. So definitely that's the liquidity. Okay, so for example, let me show you that this buy signal get failed. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just putting a triangle here, and now I'm going to the 1 hour chart. So let's see why the price went up. Okay, now you just look at here. This is the triangle that I have developed here. This is the rectangle that I have put here. Now why the price went up? Because first of all, if you just look at this level, what there is, there was the liquidity that was available at the bottom on the 1 hour chart, and the on the 15 minute, the price was not satisfied with that liquidity. That is why it came down. And then just look at this part, that after taking the because those who were buying from this level, considering that a support area, so after hitting their stop losses, now you can see the price is simply going into the upward direction, and this is how the liquidity hunt methods basically works in the market. Okay, so just open the playlist of my YouTube channel, and you will understand that why the liquidity is very important to be known before you are going to trade that indicator. Later on, if you understand the liquidity, then even if you are just going to trade that indicator on the 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, you can be very fine with your trading. So if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and promise yourself that you are going to take the free course from the YouTube playlist in the name of advanced trading course, and definitely your results will be rocked after doing that course. So thank you very much for watching this video.